Hey guys, it's your friend Kat. Welcome back to a very odd, creepy video of Malicious Patrick. The character Patrick from SpongeBob has been blowing up all over the internet in this meme as Savage or Malicious Patrick. He's a starfish who has a friend that lives in a pineapple under the sea. If you have not seen the TV show, it's been on forever. But this creepy picture of Patrick has been popping out as a very popular meme all over the internet. His eyelids are just the bottom ones, and they're creepy and heavy in this look, and he has these dagger-like eyebrows. I have not seen any makeup tutorials on it yet, so let's get started, shall we? And turn into Malicious Savage Patrick. First of all, I'm putting my hair up in a little tiny ponytail or bun situation. You could do a bald cap if you do not have a black backdrop, but starting off with them eyebrows, I'm going to flatten them down with some glue stick and powder. You know the drill if you've been watching my videos. This is how I flatten my eyebrows so that I could paint on top of them. I do about 3 or 4 layers of glue and powder, wait for each layer to dry before applying the next one. Because once those eyebrows are flat and completely dry, I am going to get a white eyeliner pencil. What this does is outline all of our procedures. Not on our face, we're not getting plastic surgery, but we are going to turn into someone else or something else, technically. I am drawing a semi-slope, the start of a cone head, and these freaky looking eyeballs on my lips. There's going to be Patrick's creepy eyes that he's known for in this meme. His little pupils on his eyes and his creepy smile. Then we are going to draw the other side of that slope of the cone head of Patrick's down our body and his little arm flinging out over our shoulder. Now once you have the outline of Patrick's bodies all situated, we are going to get a orange aqua paint. This one's from Graftobian. It looks like I'm painting my face with literal carrot juice or very orange nacho cheese sauce. Now I want nachos. But I'm painting that on all the outlines, not on the inside of my eyes and the bottom eyelids, but all over his skin, the cone head, down my neck and on my chest, and all the areas that we outlined the body. I know Patrick's star is not orange, but this is going to be a base color that we're going to layer on other colors because he's more of a warm tone pink, meaning there's tones of like orange and salmon in his skin color, especially in the meme. So once it looks like you dyed your skin with orange juice, we are going to get some Pepto-Bismol bubblegum pink aqua paint to paint on top of that. If you're scared of ruining your eyebrow covers with these aqua paints, you could not put them on those and put some cream paint on them later. Same process with this pink aqua paint. We're going to put it all on top of that orange paint. Again, layering these colors to give it a more vibrant hue of a warm pink. This color combo reminds me of salmon sushi. Getting a hairdryer to make sure it's completely dry. Now, like I said before, you can get some cream paint to cover them eyebrows. I'm mixing pink and orange to get that color to blend into the aqua paint. And to make sure those eyebrows aren't a different color or deteriorate from the aqua paint seeping through the glue. You could have done this before the aqua paints to really make sure it doesn't get ruined. Once that's on, I'm getting my Morphe 35B palette. This is my favorite palette to layer on colors on body paintings and fantasy makeups. I'm getting that pink color to pat it onto Patrick's entire body. This is gonna make it so much more pigmented, blend all of the makeup seamlessly. It will make it so that you don't see as many brush strokes from your aqua paint. Of course, you want to make sure it's completely dry because if you put eyeshadow on top of wet paint, it ain't cute. It's gonna turn patchy, weird, and muddy. Like I said on this entire layer, it's gonna take some time. You might need some patience for this. It's gonna take a while, girl. But once that eyeshadow is all on your body, applied and pigmented, now I'm just dipping into my orange sunset aqua paint from Graftobian and using a very long and kind of thin brush, I am doing the outline of Patrick. He has like this orange tint outline to his cartoon body in the TV show and in this meme. It's really gonna make it look more like a cartoon. You really wanna take your time and make sure that this paint doesn't run and ruin the pink foundation. These colors remind me of sherbet ice cream as I do the little circle marks of patches of paint on Patrick's body. You really want to look at reference pictures of this meme while you're doing this, of course. Now I'm getting my favorite white aqua paint. This is from Wolfe Bros, and it is so pigmented. It has some particles of wax in it, so that has a high pigment, but they're a little bit harder to take off. But I'm just painting that in those orbs, ping pong ball like globes on my lips that are Patrick's eyeballs. Making sure it's totally pigmented, and we are going to even paint those bottom eyelids white as well. It kind of looks like a beautiful cloud painted on our lips. But once we're done with that, we're going to make sure it's completely dry with a hairdryer before grabbing our Morphe 35B palette and getting the white shade and this light purple shade. We're going to start off with that white shade with a flat eyeshadow brush to really pack on the color and set those white eyeballs. Making sure to only put this on the eyeballs, not on the bottom eyelid, because on Patrick's bottom eyelids, we are going to put on that light purple shade. And it'll look just like the same purple from the meme. It's like this beautiful violet. And I'm using a pencil brush, but any eyeshadow brush will do. Once you have that all purpled in, we are gonna get a Mehron Bruise Wheel of cream colors. I'm getting the Bloody Rose shade from this, but any red lipstick or blood red color will do to color in Patrick's smirk, his creepy smile. Once you have the red all colored in, his smile that kind of looks like the Cheshire Cat, they have a similar shape, I'm going to get the black Midnight Sky color from that same cream wheel by Mehron to outline his mouth, really give it some shadow and dimension. Once his mouth is all shadowed in with that color, I'm going to get my Wolfe Bros aqua paint in black with a very thin detail brush to start outlining Patrick's eyeballs. Now, I usually use this paint to outline my body paintings and it goes perfectly well, but around the lips, there are so many lines and cracks in your lips and mouth, and there's so much movement there that I was starting to bleed a little bit, so I stopped using the Wolfe Bros to move on to my NYX matte liquid liner to finish the outlining of his eyes, and this worked perfectly because it doesn't bleed, it's completely matte with no shine, it's super pigmented, has a fine brush to do so much detail. This is my all-time favorite eyeliner like ever. And then I start outlining and creating Patrick's eyebrows. This is what really kicks off his look. It makes him look evil, malicious, and savage. This is probably the hardest part of the makeup, doing straight lines. He has these eyebrows that are in the shapes of very long M's, like capital M's. And I'm doing it near the bridge of my nose and near my bottom eyelid, so it's super difficult to paint here, especially straight lines. But try your best, have a very fine tip brush like I'm using with this eyeliner. I switch between the eyeliner and sometimes the aqua paint, but the eyeliner honestly works best. And once you think you have those eyebrows down, you want to make sure it's completely dry. You can use a blow dryer, just don't do it too hot of a setting to burn your skin. But once it's dry, we're going to move on to that black aqua paint. Again, I'm using Wolfe Bros because it is so pigmented. But I'm going to paint in my ears around the whole entire body of Patrick. It's going to really frame this look and give it so much more dimension and make his body pop out, look more cartoonish, really put the focus on him himself in this meme. You don't want to forget parts of your shoulders and your chest and your neck. Really get it pigmented to blend into that black background if you're doing this for a photo shoot like I am here, or if you're just doing it every day, you could still have black framing around your body of Patrick, and maybe use a ball cap if you're doing this for like a very creepy cosplay. Oh my gosh, you have like multiple sticks of text like in front of you. That would be actually hilarious. What if someone showed up to a cosplay like this and won with the Patrick painting and just text? That'd be amazing. But once you're done with that black aqua paint all over the outer borders of Patrick's body, you want to make sure it's completely dry with a blow dryer. My favorite one is by the Graveyard Girl Bellamy collab. But once you're done with that, we're completely done with our savage Patrick, our malicious Patrick. Who knows which name he is. He is just hilarious. I absolutely love this meme. I'm definitely one of those Tumblr girls. If you do not find this funny, I'm sorry. If you find it creepy, I understand. But I really love practicing body painting lately, so there might be more body painting looks coming up ahead. We will see. The memes I've seen of his face with these eyebrows has been so hilarious. I have been laughing, crying sometimes at like 1 in the morning in bed looking at these memes of him. Leave your comments down below on what funny tagline you could attach to this meme. I would love to read them, and you guys will make me laugh so much. But now it's time to turn back into myself from this Patrick meme from SpongeBob. Honestly, any SpongeBob meme, I feel like there's a new one every year. They all make me laugh, and it's my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I had making it for you all. If you guys do this makeup, it would be hilarious. Please post a picture of yourself in it on Instagram and tag me, #katsketch. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Thank you all so much for sticking around and hanging out with me today. You can subscribe for more videos like this and looks like this. There's a lot more stuff coming up. So excited. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!